Hey guys, GoPro Bros, Mike and Matt. Today's video may contain mild language. Just a heads up. GoPro Bros, Mike and Matt here, and today, it's me and Matthew, and today, us, the GoPro Bros.
We found the funniest bird outside. It's so funny.
It's not a real bird. Anyway. Excuse you. Today, GoPro Bros, Mike and Matt brings you the Profanity Bird. Ladies and gentlemen, GoPro Bros, Mike and Matt brings you Squawkers! Woohoo! Woo! Woo! So, Squawkers, what have you been doing while I was gone? Okay then. Who do you have to say hello to?
What's up, family?
Yes, I guess you could say hello to the family.
Which is my family.
Matt's family.
Matthew's family.
But,
This is my bird.
yeah. But,
His name is Squawkers.
Squawkers, what do you sound like when you party? Wait, get it! You just threw up a squirrel.
You just threw up. I put that in there. I forgot it.
We'll be right back with your favorite clip, the Profanity Bird. You're so salty!
You're so salty!
It sounds even better coming out of a bird. That deserves a round of applause. Have you been drinking Coke while I was gone? Thanks. Thanks very much. Eat my finger, will you? Don't you sass me, mister. Excuse you.
Yeah.
Mac.
Help. Remember
To
like,
and
subscribe.
GoPro Bros signing off. In
What?
3, 2, 1. No!
I love you, Squawkers.